Good morning. This is the bus. Yeah, today is June 2, 2009. And we are going to visit churches. The entrance.
Bahagin, sir.
Isa set.
Yan na ba? I would have wondered why I get it.
This is the birthday girl. Say hi, birthday girl. Wow.
It's just so happened that you got me
Ayo,
the
asas
body.
Carla, asas Carla.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
Nagila, Carla.
Happy birthday.
How old are you, Carla? Ikaduhan na yung
32nd birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, you're 32,
Happy birthday, Carla.
40th
You're already 42 years old.
Happy 40th birthday.
Happy 43.
Attendance, uy, asa na? Wala gi ko kasay.
What's ko kasay?
Nakalda yung misay. Okay, yung ballpen na.
Isa na nataguan diha. Isa na, di man makita oy.
Luntaw dyan.
Sir, I'm gonna
Yeah, malarga na. Say ha, cousin. Last ang simala. Cousin, kita ka.
Anak ka, convert din ako.